And good Saturday morning. Welcome to KRWX. We're taking a look at the sunrise across Reservoir State Park in Niagara County this morning, and just beautiful clear skies courtesy of that high pressure that moved into western New York yesterday evening and really just dropped the bottom out on those temperatures last night as we had that radiational cooling. But we're on the backside of that high pressure now, so we're seeing temperatures that are going to really pick up today to about 51 degrees. That's 3 degrees above the average. We have not seen above average temperatures in western New York for quite some time, and we won't be seeing them going forward for quite some time. So enjoy it while it's here. This high pressure system that's responsible for our clearing skies last night, again, that's going to hold on for a little bit longer, but on the back edge of the high pressure and then out in front of this next low pressure system moving in, we're getting those southerly winds, and that's going to help warm those temperatures up with some sunshine early in the day today. But you see this snow over Wisconsin, the rain over Illinois, heading back into Missouri, and that's just all making its way to the east. So if we take a look at the satellite over the last several hours, you could see this blossoming of these cold cloud tops really just bringing a lot of precipitation, a pretty moisture-rich storm moving in. But again, we're not going to see a lot of that moisture squeezed out here in western New York. Now, as this progresses to the east, you probably got till early afternoon before you really start seeing those clouds take over. And then the rain. So we've got a mix of rain and snow off the northwest corner here of our screen, taking over all of Ontario. I stopped it at 5 p.m. here, where you could see really just the leading edge of the rainfall just making its way to the western edges of western New York. And then between 5 and 8, all 8 counties should be kind of overtaken by that steady, not too heavy, but steady rainfall. But as quickly as it moves in, it's going to move right on out. By the time we get to about 3 a.m., maybe a little bit of rain-snow mix across the hills of the southern tier, nothing that you should anticipate sticking, and then next thing you know, it's all out and we've got the sun coming back for tomorrow. So colder temperatures, but some sunshine, so not too bad for an Easter day. Now we've got the stronger winds picking up over, this is a snapshot actually for 11 o'clock. Tonight. We've got the strong winds over Lake Erie, Lake Ontario. Those are the primary areas that we got to be worried for this high wind warning. Right along the lake shore, maybe north of the thruway through the Niagara frontier, it's going to be worst. But we're seeing from 5 p.m. Saturday through 8 a.m. Sunday, it's not going to be crazy winds that whole time, primarily in the overnight hours. Some gusts could be close to 60 miles an hour, a lesser wind advisory as you head into Cattaraugus and Allegheny counties. If you want to get an early start on Easter, head out to Breakfast with the Easter Bunny at the Buffalo Zoo. If you missed the 9 o'clock breakfast, there's another one at 11 a.m. So head out, enjoy it. You've got that sunshine early, a few clouds moving in towards the mid-afternoon, but again, get out and enjoy that day early on. So why have the forecasts been changing so much? So we've got these days that were supposed to be in the low 40s today if you look back 4 days ago, and now we're talking 50s. Well, it's all about where the storm's approaching from. So if we're predicting a storm system that's going to be well to our south, well, even if it ends up moving a bit north of where we expected, you're in this vast expanse of cold air here, and you're probably still going to be there. Now, when the storm system's looking to end up pretty far to our north, well, even if that drops down a little bit, we've got a nice vast area of warmer air to the southern end that we can expect to be in. Now, what we've been seeing a lot lately is these storms moving right at western New York. So when this takes place, you've got the low pressure system right over us, the warm air parked to the south, the cold air to the north. It's tough to tell if this forecast is 50 to 100 miles off either way where we're going to end up, and that's what we're looking at for next Tuesday and Wednesday. This low pressure should be making its way right towards western New York, and we're going to have that snow to the north, rain and warmer temperatures to the south. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that system as we head through the week. Temperature through the 7-day forecast, Saturday 51 degrees, some rain and wind moving in late. That should be done by the time you wake up Sunday. Happy Easter, but you're going to deal with that cold weather along with some sunshine, 36 degrees for an expected high. Monday, warming up a bit into the low 40s and some sunshine, probably our best day of the week. As we get towards Tuesday, the clouds start picking up again and that rainfall comes back in. Temperatures warming back up to the mid to upper 40s. Few areas may hit 50, but again, that comes along with the rainfall. And as that system passes Tuesday night, the temperatures really drop out again Wednesday through Friday. And as we get that northwest flow across the lakes, we may even see some lake effect snow showers moving on into a few localized areas. So enjoy your Easter holiday, have a great weekend, and we'll be back with an update early next week.